For all personalized and page items, it is best to fully complete an order form with all the pertinent information so that we may correctly print the personalized product desired and designed by the customer. Complete an order form for each item ordered. This tutorial will walk you through each of the steps to complete the and page order form to order your personalized and page product. Having your 2015 and page catalog handy will be helpful while watching this tutorial. At the top of the form, please complete all store information, including your store phone number, just in case we need to contact you with further questions. If you are ordering multiple products, please number each of the order form pages. Section 1. Specify item number for personalization. Write the item number for the product you are ordering. Item numbers can be located on pages 52 and 53 of the 2015 and page catalog. All personalized items have a 3-digit numerical number. For example, an 8x8 notepad is item number 104. Indicate the quantity of the item requested. A quantity of 1 will include 1 item or 1 package of the item. For example, item number 208, die-cut stationery with white envelopes, quantity of 1 will order 1 package of 24 die-cut cards with envelopes. Helpful hint. If you have an item that has multiple parts, for example, a notepad set, which includes 1 8x8 notepad and 1 3x8 notepad, you may choose to fill out a separate order form for the first part of the item, the 8x8 notepad, and then a second form for the second part of the item, the 3x8 notepad. Or if you feel that you can fit all the information needed for both parts of the item, you may use one order form. Section 2. Specify the name or monogram. Write the personalization that will be printed on the product. If you are printing a name, please print legibly and write the name as you would like it to appear on the product. If an item is written in all uppercase letters, it will be printed on the product in all uppercase letters. This example will be printed on one line using upper and lowercase letters. This example will be stacked in 2 lines and printed all in uppercase letters. If you are unsure of how the text will look on the product and you would like the designers to choose, please check the box marked OK to stack if needed. Our graphic designers will choose the best look for the text provided. If you do not want the text to be stacked in any way, please check the box marked Please do not stack. If you are printing a monogram, please indicate the letters in the following order: first name initial, last name initial, middle name initial. For example, Mary Ann Smith would be MSA. If you are printing a monogram style that requires both a name and initials, please complete both lines of information needed for the monogram. For example, monogram M14 would require Mary Ann Smith on the top line and MSA underneath. Section 3. Specify font or monogram style. Write the font style or monogram style on this line. If you are printing text only, choose a font style. For example, Bodoni. If you are printing a monogram, choose a monogram style. For example, M14. Section 4. Specify the color of the text of the font or the monogram style. Choose a color for the text or monogram style. If the monogram style is 2 colors, please indicate both colors and which part of the monogram is which color. For example, the M14, MSA in light blue, Mary Ann Smith in navy. Helpful hint. 2-color monograms are always best, with a lighter color for the initials and a darker color for the text. When requesting a product with 2 dark colors, consider placing the text in white inside a darker colored die-cut shape. Section 5. Specify pattern. Choose a pattern from the available and page pattern sheet on page 48 of the and page catalog. Or if the product will have a white background, then complete this line with No pattern. Section 6. Specify color of pattern. Choose a color for the pattern from the available and-page color sheet on page 45 of the catalog. If an item is going to be written upon, for example, die-cut stationery, notepads, note sheets, or enclosure cards, you must choose a background color as indicated on the and-page color sheet. If an item is not going to be written upon, any available color may be chosen for the pattern. Keep in mind that if you are printing text directly on the pattern color should be significantly lighter than the text color. Also, please choose one of the following pattern options: a white background with a colored pattern, or a solid colored background with a white pattern. Section 7. Specify die-cut shape of product. If the actual product will be a die-cut shape, for example, stationery, enclosure cards, fans, or pennants, please write the number of the corresponding die-cut shape from the available and-page die-cut shapes on page 45 of the and-page catalog. Please be sure when choosing Shape 30 to indicate whether you would like Shape 30 square or Shape 30 rectangle. Please also note that die-cut notepads are only available in die-cut shapes 4, 6, and 21. Section 8. Graphic. If you are adding a graphic to the product, please choose from the available graphic images located on the and-page website under the Helpful Hints Order Form tab. Indicate the name of the graphic, the desired placement location on the product, for example, top centered, bottom right corner, and the desired color of the graphic. Section 9. Choose option for text. This is an area that has many choices to format your personalization, text, and monogram styles to best fit your pattern and color choices. Please be sure to complete this section thoroughly. You may choose a solid colored die cut shape. Indicate the die cut number and the solid color. And then choose any embellishments that you would like to add to the shape. For example, if you would like to have a solid red die cut shape number 6 with white stitching, you would complete as so. Or you may choose a circle with dots with either a white background or a solid colored background. Or you may choose a solid colored banner with stitching. Or you may choose to have the text or monogram printed directly on top of the pattern. Section 10. Specify monogram or text placement. Choose the desired location of the personalization on the product. For example, top centered or bottom right corner. Comments section. Here you may choose any of the following options. Add a personal message in your order. Check this box if you or your customer is drop shipping the item to a friend and would like to indicate who sent the gift. Write in your message in the comments box. A personal message card is a custom 5x7 note card with a personalized message. Indicate a drop ship address. Check this box if your customer would like to drop ship the order to an address other than the store's address. The shipment will be a blind drop ship, meaning there will not be an invoice included in the box. There is no additional charge to drop ship an order. Envelope return address. Check this box if you have chosen a product that has a return address printed. Write the return address in the comments box and indicate the desired font and color of the text. If no font or color is chosen, we will best match the text on the product. Digital proof. A digital proof may be requested by checking this box. Please indicate the email address to send the proof and respond in a timely fashion to the emailed proof so as to not delay the order. More helpful hints. If you are ordering multiple items with the exact same pattern, color, and design, but only changing the personalization name or monogram on each item, you may complete one order form with the design details and attach a second page with the list of names or monograms to print. Please remember to fill out the order form completely. Incomplete forms will result in order processing delays. All orders will be shipped to the store address unless otherwise specified with a dropship address in the comments box. Once an order form is submitted to Ann Page via fax, email, or website, an Ann Page invoice is created and emailed to the email on file for the store. Please review invoices for accuracy and contact us within 24 hours of any discrepancies in the order. What is printed on the invoice is what will be printed on the product. If you still have questions after watching this tutorial, you may contact Ann Page Customer Service at 281-496-5600. Thank you for choosing Ann Page Personalized Products.